Are you looking for the perfect utility by which you can convert an MBOX file into different file formats? Don't worry, here in this video, you can get the complete solution to migrate MBOX files to various file formats or email clients. Cigati MBOX Converter software is one of the finest utilities to perform the conversion process of an MBOX file. It preferred multiple files and email client file formats. Moreover, the software maintains the hierarchy of file format after conversion safely. Now, let's understand the key features and benefits of the Cigati MBOX Converter tool. Export emails from MBOX file into PST, EMLX, MSG, HTML, EML, text, MHTML, CSV, PDF, etc. file format. Migrate single or multiple MBOX files into various email clients such as Gmail, Yahoo, Outlook, IMAP, Thunderbird, Hotmail, and Office 365. Removes repetitive or duplicate emails from MBOX files. It converts your MBOX files of any size. The prerequisites of this third-party software include: the software runs as administrator when using Windows 10 and its earlier versions. At the time of email account login in the tool, you need to provide a proper internet connection. A third-party software password is required before email account sign-in. Now, let's check out the working procedure of this MBOX Converter software in detail. Run and launch the Cigati MBOX Converter tool. Now, in the software window, select the single or multiple file options to add an MBOX file in the tool. Next, browse and select the MBOX file which you want to convert and press the Open button. Here, you can preview email content and its attachment and hit Next. In this tab, choose the file saving format in which you want to convert your MBOX emails like PST format here. Next, check the box to remove duplicate mailboxes. Now, provide a date range in the mail filter to select specific mailboxes. You can also use the custom folder option to save emails into specific folders. After that, locate the destination folder where you want to save your converted file. Now, hit the Convert button to initiate the file conversion process.
Then, in a couple of minutes, your MBOX file is converted into PST format and a log report is created by the tool. You can download this log report for future use by clicking on the Download Log button. And you can also click on the Convert Again button to convert another file or email format. Now, if you select the Office 365 web email client, follow these necessary steps. In this tab, choose Office 365 as the email saving option. Here, you have to fill in your Office 365 account address and third-party password which can be easily created by the given link. After filling in Office 365 credentials, press the Sign In button. Now, check the option to remove duplicate emails. Next, apply the mail filter to select specific emails. You are free to use the custom folder to save files in different folder names. After that, hit the Convert button to start the email migration process. In some moments, your MBOX file is migrated into your Office 365 account. And you can generate this by clicking on the Download Log button. Also, click the Convert Again button to convert to the file or email format. If not, then close the application.
For more updates, check out our website www.cigatisolution.com or mail us on support@cigatisolutions.com.